Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO Reno 15. Alright, we have two methods how we can reset our phone. The recommended method is a method using the settings. Simply open them up. Now scroll down until you find System and Update and click on Backup and Reset. Now before reset your phone, I highly recommend you to create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel you can find a video how to create a backup on this OPPO, so if you want you can watch it. It's always good to have a backup of our data. Now, to reset the phone, click on Reset Phone, and we are interested in the last function, Erase All Data Factory Reset, but in here we can also reset network and Bluetooth settings only, or reset all settings, but those options won't delete any of our data. Now we need to click on Erase All Data, and now we need to confirm by typing the lock screen. If you type it, your phone will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. Now, when it comes to the second method, it's the reset using the recovery mode, but when it comes to this method, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, there's a chance that if you have your screen lock set, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. But there's also a second option, and it's signing in into Google account into which you were logged in before the reset as a confirmation if you don't remember your password. So you need to remember about it, that after the reset using the recovery mode, you may have to type your screen lock or sign in into the exact same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. Now to perform it, we need to launch the recovery mode first. We need to power off our device. Click on Power key and volume up and select power off. Now we need to wait until our phone is fully turned off. And now we need to use the button combination. We need to hold power key and volume down key until we see the OPPO logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume down. So hold both buttons. Now release from power key, but keep holding volume down. Okay, now we need to select our language. We can do it by clicking the volume keys. I know it's really dark, but it's possible to change the brightness in here. We need to select our language. I'll stick to English. Now, if you want to confirm, click power key, but the touch screen also works. Now we need to select format data. And now type this code using the keyboard. And now click on format, this button right in here. I know it's really dark, so you may not see it. I'll try to place it something like that. In here you can see format. We just need to click on that. The wiping data process has started. Data formatted, so click on OK. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. We also have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.